Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change out the little water filter in your pet water fountain. Really, you need to be doing this once a month, 2 to 4 weeks they recommend, but it depends on use. The more pets you have, the more animals drinking from it, you'll have to clean the filter more often. Now, this unit is actually new, so we're doing this purely for the purpose of the video. But you're going to have a filter in here that you're going to be discarding, and you're going to be putting a new filter in. The filter in this one is already new, so just pretend it's dirty. So we have to make sure that it is unplugged, and we need to press the button in at the corner here while pushing this little bit down. It's a bit fiddly, but if you do that there, that will come apart. Bring it round to the other corner here. Again, press the button here, and this will lift off. Now, put this down like so. If you're worried about drips of water, you can always do this on a towel. This is where the filter lives. So we need to discard the old one. So you're going to be pushing in on this tab here, which will lift this up. It's held in with two little tabs here. So it's slightly awkward. When you do that, it feels like you might break it. But by doing this here, that will lift up from here. This is going to be your old filter that you're going to be discarding. Pretend now that you've just unwrapped your brand new filter. Do not put it straight in here. You need to put it in a bowl of water, clean tap water, for around 5 minutes. You need to let that soak. Do not reuse that water. Throw that water down the sink afterwards. So now, after 5 minutes, you're going to be taking this out. Just going to drain the excess water. And you're going to be placing it in here. The instructions don't make it clear whether it goes this way or this way, but it just seems to fit nicer because there's these little grooves just here. It seems to fit nicer if you put the groove side down like that. It just seems to sit nicer that way. Either way, it should be filtering the water. Whether it's this way down or the other way, it should still be filtering the water because it's going through these bits here. Ooh. So then what we need to do now is we need to put this on here. But if we do it this way, this is just going to fall straight out. So if you were to turn this round instead, the clip part is going towards the middle and this is going towards the edge. So you can see here that we have two little tabs here and here, and we've got two little bits here and also here. Put those in there and then we should be able to just click that in like that. Make sure it's fully clicked in all the way around, which you can see it is. And that is it. Your water filter has now been changed. When we put this back on, remember to put the cable through this little guide here so you don't trap it. And also you have these bits here. And then we're just going to click in each of the corners, making sure the cable stays in there. And make sure it's clipped in all the way around. That is it. That is how you change the filter, and obviously just fill it up with water like you normally would do, and then in 2 to 4 weeks again swap the filter out again, and that way hopefully your pet should have nice clean drinking water. Thanks for watching.